break even or if it's just slightly profitable, that's when you can choose conversions, because now you got data to back it up, and now Facebook has some data. So it's actually that simple. What's up, guys? So yeah, I'm probably just gonna take these off. As you maybe can hear, my voice is totally gone. It's been like this the last 3 to 4 days, and tomorrow I actually got a meeting in person. So yeah, it's gonna be great. But yeah, I just couldn't wait to make a video. I want to produce as many videos as possible, and I'm still learning to really put it in my schedule because I'm not used to it. And now being sick and all that doesn't really help. But I want to get this video out because I think it's a very important step and a very, very important information for you guys who are starting with Facebook ads, or maybe can't really find a thing that is working for you at the moment. Because this is the thing that really got me started when I really didn't have any orders, any purchases, when I really didn't have any pixel, really. And I still can use it this day, even though I have plenty of purchases and orders to really use my pixel. This is just a method that helps getting everything going, I will say, even though you don't really hear from a lot of people. So right now, first and foremost, I'm in the middle of the nature. We can just go out here real quick, just so we can see. I don't want to. This is where we are. If you ask me where, can't really answer that question. So yeah, we're right here with the car. And to be quite fair, I love being out here. I grew up in the nature, or in the country outside the city. So it brings me calm when I get out here. So I want to go for a drive today. I'm gonna go in and work out later, but I just want to get out here and talk. I have another exciting video I think will help a lot, because this is a thing that has been tough for me, running a business, and maybe also some of you guys are dealing with it. So it's definitely something I want to touch upon. I have no idea how the light is right now, but yeah, anyways, let's just get back in the car. To see if this helps a bit more. Yeah, it's fine. This video is gonna be short because there's no reason for it to be long. I'm gonna cover as much as I can, and then you can go directly in and implement it and start doing it. So the thing is, when you make a campaign for dropshipping, the most used one, and probably also the best one, well, it is the best one, is to choose the conversion. And I think right now I'm showing you on my computer, but it's the conversions, and then within conversions, when you've created that campaign, you can choose purchase, you can choose website clicks, just views, add to cart, etc. And the best one is of course purchase, because what it does is that when you choose add to cart, Facebook is gonna go for people who tends to add to cart. And when you choose purchase, Facebook is gonna go for the people who tends to purchase. So of course, those are the best. Those are the ones that Facebook are gonna target. Now, when you choose conversions, you're gonna go and choose those, and you don't have a pixel, or you have a pixel but only have a couple of orders. It's gonna be red dots. I can't remember when it's gonna turn green, but when you have enough pixels for add to cart, for views, for purchase, etc., they're slowly gonna start turning green. Until you can still choose them, but it's not as effective. So this is what I would do if I was in your position right now and in your shoes. Don't choose conversions, actually choose traffic. Yeah, choose traffic and just do the exact same. Make your ad sets, make your just make your campaign, but just as a traffic. What traffic will do, I'm just gonna open the door, it's so hot in here. What traffic will do is, well, it's gonna emphasize and focus on just bringing get as many people on your website as possible. So traffic is perfect for getting your brand out there, for getting likes on Facebook, for just getting known for those things. And it's not really built for web shops. But then again, because people will get on your website, you will get a lot more people on your website. So what I did is that I didn't have no orders with your Facebook ads. I had no pixel built. So what I just did is that I just built my campaign on traffic. What that enables me is that first and foremost, I got orders immediately. Now I did have a good product. I had a decent product that was just in a bit of demand. And then I would say the ad set and all that, those were pretty fine, but nothing major. But I put out there with traffic. I got tons of people on my website, and I started getting orders. It's that simple. I think first day I made $60, $80, $120, down to $80 again. But you see, that's just on traffic. Now what that enables me is that, and I want to show you the exact plan that I use and that I've gotten from my mentor who I've bought a course with, which is Nick Biederman. If that's Biederman, sorry Nick, if I can't remember your name correctly right now. Then after 2 to 4 days, well, I'll say after 4 days, because you're always gonna have to let your campaign run for a couple days. But after 4 days, and you've gotten it's break even or plus, that's when you duplicate the campaign the traffic campaign you made, and you duplicate that and just make it to a conversion campaign with purchase in focus. That's it. Okay, again, I can keep on as you can see, I have a lot more details and information I want to give you, and I can keep on talking. But what I would want you to do right now is if you don't have any pixel build up, it's very minimum, you don't have a lot of orders, create your campaign. Goes a comma again. Create your campaign, but create it in traffic, and then just let it out, let it run for 2 days. If of course throughout the 2 days, check for details, check how it's going, everything. And that's my tip actually. It's very simple, but you don't really see it anywhere. Like, people are not really saying it because it's not the traditional way to go. But it's very simple. You just get a lot of people on your website, and if your product is good enough, well, some will buy. And with the ones who are gonna buy, then all you need, because at the end of the day, yes, you want to use conversions with your campaign. It's that simple. But in order to really get the full effect out of that and to really use it, you just need data. It's that simple. How do you get data fast? Or how do you get data to even start off with? Well, you use traffic, because you get a lot of people on the site, you get data, you get orders, and then after some days, 4 days, a week maybe, it depends on how fast or slow it's gonna go, if it's break even or if it's just slightly profitable, that's when you can choose conversions, because now you got data to back it up, and now Facebook has some data. So it's actually that simple. So yeah, guys, I think that was it. But I just want to finish this off. Say I'm gonna come back once my voice is back. And just no matter what, I'm gonna start throwing more videos out there, because I want to build my following way more, because I really like helping people out. I really do. I've always done. I just have never had the platform. So that's what I'm hoping I can build right now. So please, from the bottom of my heart, leave a comment down below. I'm gonna answer it 100%. Like, dislike, it really doesn't matter. I just want you to interact with me. And of course, please subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already, and if you really want to. If you don't want to, don't. But if you don't want to subscribe, it will mean the world to me. We are 9 subscribers right now, but it would really mean the world to me. So other than that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one, because I think it's gonna help a lot of people. Goodbye.